Hey everyone, my name is Rishabh Kamesra and I am the CEO of House of Jewellery. Starting in 1986 as a family business, today we're one of North America's largest jewelry wholesalers and private label partners. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of private labeling, commonly known as ODM and OEM manufacturing, and look at some of the most commonly asked questions. Let's get started. Private labeling is when a retailer or distributor works with a third-party manufacturer to produce products under their brand. Two terms you often hear in the private labeling space is ODM, Original Design Manufacturing, and OEM, Original Equipment Manufacturing. Now, what do those terms mean and how do they apply to your business is best explained through an example. Let's say you're a jewelry business that wants to produce a bracelet. With ODM, Original Design Manufacturing, you would pick a design from our existing catalog. You would then add your brand name or logo and we would go straight into production. ODM pieces are more affordable but less unique. They're commonly used by brands who want more of a core or essential line and tend to want the pieces to be more generic in nature. With OEM, Original Equipment Manufacturing, we're dealing with a brand new custom piece. In our example of a bracelet, the company might decide to choose the links, charms, or even change the closure of the bracelet. The end result will be a completely custom piece of jewelry that gives the brand a bit more exclusivity. House of Jewellery offers both ODM and OEM services. Private labeling is currently offered in sterling silver and karat gold. We do offer private labeling in base metal as well. The entire private label process takes about 8 to 12 weeks. In the initial 4 to 6 weeks, we really focus on producing a sample that's aligned with the client's vision. The remaining 4 to 6 weeks we focus on production. Production time is dependent on the manufacturing partner chosen and production capabilities available. This is where you're really going to see the difference between OEM and ODM processes. If you opt for one of our existing designs, the process is a lot quicker because we usually have a sample in stock. The next step would be adding your logo or other brand item into the product, and then we proceed into production. In the case of OEM, this is where we're dealing with a brand new product concept and best explained through a series of steps. Step 1, our discovery meeting. I love these meetings. This is where we encourage clients to bring in product inspiration, mood boards, samples, or anything they might have to explain the actual product they're looking to produce. With our experience with private label clients, we offer insights and experience along the way to ensure we're producing a product that meets their needs. Our daily interaction with private label clients allow us to fully comprehend your concept, and we're always eager to suggest enhancements or improvements that we can provide. Step 2, 3D CAD camera edition. Once your concept is crystal clear, we collaborate with our manufacturing partner to bring it to life. You'll receive a detailed 3D image rendered through CAD CAM, providing insights into the product's weight, size, and design nuances. This rendering guides us in deciding whether to proceed with the sample creation or make additional tweaks. We'll continue going back and forth with this process until we achieve the perfect result. Step 3, sample approval, and I would say the most important part of the process. This is where we provide clients a real-life sample of the product being produced. We want to ensure that the sample is a complete representation of what the final product is destined to look like. If any further adjustments are needed, we're happy to refine the sample until it aligns perfectly with your vision. If all is well, we'll transition into production. But keep in mind, we'll never go into production until you provide sample approval. Step 4, production. Production typically takes 4 to 6 weeks, dependent on the time of year and manufacturing partner chosen. Once a sample has been approved, we'll provide clients with a detailed delivery timeline to ensure they understand when their products will be received. Our extensive experience with private label clients has allowed us to create an optimized step-by-step process from first client interaction to client delivery. We work with some of the most world-renowned and reputable manufacturing partners, ensuring the highest quality and consistency in every production run. As we're dealing with precious metals, we ensure that we have the highest purity standards, and if your items include gemstones or diamonds, the highest grading standards in the stones. And finally, we pride ourselves as having the lowest minimum order quantities, as well as a swift production cycle that helps you keep ahead of the demand. Each private label design has a private label fee. please check out our dedicated page on our website for current costing. The private label fee will cover our initial detailed client meeting, 3D CAD CAM rendition, along with general overhead associated with the process. The private label fee does not cover the cost of the sample, and the fee is non-refundable. Minimum order quantities vary based on manufacturing partner chosen and type of metal. As a general rule of thumb, for sterling silver items, the minimum order quantity is 50 pieces per design and 10 pieces per ring size. And for karat gold items, the minimum order quantity is 15 pieces per design and 5 pieces per ring size. Base metals are also an option, but the minimum order quantities tend to be significantly higher. I'm happy to say that HOJ is able to provide sustainable manufacturing options. We collaborate with some of the most reputable and renowned manufacturing partners globally, and they're able to prioritize the use of recycled metals and any other sustainable manufacturing request you may have. Some of our manufacturing partners hold notable certifications, such as being members of the Responsible Jewelry Council, ISO certified, or pride themselves as using green or energy efficient technologies. If sustainable manufacturing options are important to you, I recommend that you bring them up during your detailed design meeting so we can ensure we find a manufacturing partner that aligns with your brand's core values. My favorite part of the private label process is hands down the opportunity to explore and support non-traditional jewelry markets. Private label work lets us step outside the usual mold, which is thrilling because it opens doors to fresh ideas and unique client needs that are so much more than just jewelry. Our private label work allows us to provide insights to clients and help understand their vision, which makes sure that we are bringing out the best of every collection. And of course, there's the creativity side of things, balancing functionality with form and ensuring that every piece is not just beautiful, but also serves a purpose. It's truly gratifying every single time. If you're ready to get started, we're here to help. Please visit our website for our dedicated page on private labeling, or click on the link to book a complimentary private label consultation call today. Thank you for considering House of Jewelry, where quality, innovation, and customer care are at the heart of everything we do.